So good morning. I'm going to the rooms and look for to do some reparations. Sharon said, "Here's almost the windows falling out." I said, "Oh, that's not good." So I start in Napoleon because that isn't booked for a couple of days. So hopefully I can finish it before new guests arriving. So let's see. So this is the Napoleon room. Beautiful room. Everything looks very nice. Oh, okay. Here we have a problem. Door stuck above. So I have to take a piece of that. This wallpaper is stunning. And the bed is, yeah, it's a beautiful room. Beautiful decorated. I have to say, Sharon did such a good job with decorated the room, and yeah, it's just beautiful. So, okay, let's take a look at these windows. Beautiful views everywhere. Right. So here we need some new putty, but the rest is not too bad actually. Let's check the other side. It's also not too bad. But here, oh yeah. Here we're having a problem. The water comes in. And what's here? Okay. This is that comes from off here. All right. That could need some painting. And there he is. Let's see this one. Oh, there's a very big window. Yeah, stunning views everywhere. Okay. That's a strange piece, but okay. So here also new putty. That can be saved. But I think I need to make a new part here. But that looks very bad. Okay. So I will make some new parts. I make the measurements. Then I can sandblast them all and paint them, and later put the putty back in. And yeah, then they will go for another couple of years. And I think before I sandblast, take the curtains off. Okay, let's do this. And here I have to get some kit, because this will go between the walls. Okay, yeah. So dit is the new piece. That looks good. So I did it. Saved another window. I'm the window savior. Yeah, so tomorrow I hope the weather is better. Finally, it was every time rain, sun, rain, sun. So you could not continue your work. So hopefully tomorrow it's dry, then I can paint it one time, and then after painting I can put the putty in.